Want to create AI image directly in ChatGPT on your Samsung Galaxy A56? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the ChatGPT app on your Samsung Galaxy A56. And then tap ChatGPT. Okay. If you cannot find a create image, you can tap menu icon and then select image. Select image, and then in the message box tap a clear image from, for example, create a futuristic city at sunset in an ultra realistic style. Make sure you clearly description what you want to image to look like. Then tap send and wait a few seconds while ChatGPT generates your image. Okay, tap send. Okay, if you don't like the result, you can refine your prompt and ask for change. For example, make it brighter, add more details, change the style to watercolor and other. Okay, please wait creating image. Okay, and that's it. You can create AI image anytime in ChatGPT on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Just type your idea and let's AI bring it to life. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.